Hello everyone, I am Bhavna from ClearTax. Do you know that the last date to file your income tax return for the assessment year 2021 is 30th November 2020? If you miss this deadline, you will have to pay interest on tax dues and also penalties could be levied by the income tax department. The government provides an e-filing website where you have to log in, choose the assessment year, thereafter choose the kind of ITR form you have to file. Also, the government has enabled pre-filling certain details such as personal information, Aadhaar, bank details, Form 16 and Form 26AS. While filing your income tax return through the government portal, you will have to manually select a few sections. However, ClearTax is a government licensed intermediary that provides an online tax filing platform that is free and simple. You don't have to worry about which ITR form applies to you, and also the software is easy to use. Moreover, you can e-file income tax return for your family members and have everyone's tax records in one place. The best part is you can file IT returns either through desktop or mobile. So why wait for the last day when you can file your ITR on ClearTax within 7 minutes with all the details in hand? So let me take you through a step-by-step procedure of your ITR filing on the ClearTax portal. Log into cleartax.in and click on the Upload Form 16 button and then upload Form 16 as well as Form 26AS which is saved on your system. Drag and drop the files here and click on the Proceed button. Once the files are uploaded successfully, click on the Proceed button. Now enter the password for your PDF. ClearTax reads your details and publishes the tax summary. In case you have switched jobs in the past year, you can use the Upload Another Form 16 button to upload your Form 16 from your previous jobs. After uploading your Form 16 successfully, click on the Proceed to e-filing button. You have to enter your personal details if you're filing for the first time on the ClearTax portal. Otherwise, the personal information would be saved based on the return you have filed the last time. Now, review the personal and address information under the tab Personal Info. In case you have any changes to make, edit the same and click on the Save button. Now, you will need to review the auto-populated information under the tab Income Sources. Review the salary details which are auto-filled. In case you need to make edits, click on the Save button. In case you have interest income, enter the same under the Other Income tab and then make sure to click on the Save button. The details of rental income and interest paid on your housing loan can be entered under the House Property tab. If you have earned income from capital gains in a year by the sale of shares or property, you can declare these details under the Capital Gains tab. It's going to be easier if you have a huge volume of trading done on platforms such as Zerodha, Cames or Carvey during the last year. This is because ClearTax helps you to directly import trading details from their portal with just a click of a button. In case you have income from a business or a professional practice, you can enter the details related to it under the Business and Profession tab. Now, you can review the deductions you have claimed, autofill from Form 16 and declare more of them. In case you have made any additional investments between 1st April 2020 to 31st July 2020, then you can separately enter these investment details under the Investment Details tab. As per the information you have entered, ClearTax will display your TDS, advance tax paid, and any more tax you need to pay. Make the tax payment, if any, and add the challan. Fill in the bank details and Aadhaar card number needed for verification and for the tax refund, if any. Now, review the summary and click on Proceed to e-filing. You will receive the acknowledgement number and you can e-verify your income tax return within 120 days. Now, that was easy. Don't wait anymore. 50 lakh Indians have filed with ClearTax already. Now, it's your turn to log into the cleartax.in and start filing your return right away. If you like this video, please do like and share. If you want to know more about taxes and savings, please let us know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.